If you clicked on this video, then I'm assuming you want to feel like a princess. You want to feel like a beautiful little angel doll all the time, and getting dressed when you're just staying at home is going to really elevate that and help you experience that. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lounge like a goddess. No more sweatpants, no more leggings and a baggy t-shirt. I'm going to show you all of the equally as comfortable items that I own to feel like a goddess every single time I'm just lounging around the house and have nowhere to be. I would argue that what you wear when you're just relaxing by yourself at home when there's nobody else watching you says a lot about how you view yourself as a person. I'm not sure if it's just from my personal experience, but whenever I'm feeling like actually depressed and like I'm having a hard day, I wear baggy sweatpants, I wear a giant t-shirt, and it doesn't really make me feel better. It doesn't help at all. When I feel my most luxurious, like princess royalty self, I'm always wearing something like this, like a matching set, or one of the items that I'm going to show you today. The past few years, whenever I do feel down, I will actively choose to wear something nicer like this because it actually raises my vibration and it actually makes me feel better. I don't know what excuse you're currently telling yourself that justifies wearing like the 10-year-old shirt that you have that's covered in holes. But in this video, by the end, I hopefully will change your opinion on that, and hopefully you will start to take your loungewear seriously. And I would also argue that if you are constantly unsure what to wear, you never really know what to wear to make you feel good, you have a hard time getting ready in the morning, by the time you do get dressed, your room is wrecked because you tried on like 100 different things, I would argue, and I could almost guarantee to you that when you're lounging around at home, you're not wearing something cute. You're not, because if you start off the day or if you end the day wearing something cute that makes you feel beautiful, it is so easy to come up with something else when you're already in that vibration, when you're already in that mindset of, oh, I'm just a princess, just, relaxing. It's so much easier to find something to wear when you're actually going to go out that makes you feel beautiful and like a princess. Hello, my name is Kiana Nakala and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am a personal style and confidence expert. This topic is so important to me, so much so that it is one of the first lessons in my fashion course Soul Aligned Style, which basically shows you how to discover and master your personal style, and it teaches you how to easily and quickly get ready every single day and feel incredible every single day. And if it's that important that it's like one of the first lessons, you should trust me and just stick with me through this video. I think the most common thing to wear is like a two-piece set like this. Super comfortable, super relaxed. I always get a size up. I think I'm usually like a size small. I think this is a size medium, and I get the long version. It's super baggy, just as comfortable. If anything, it's more comfortable because the material is so thin and it's so silky and soft. Every time I put on a matching set like this, I just feel like on top of the world. I'm going to show you guys other options, but I thought we would just start with the silky stuff. I've said this before in one of my older videos, but I thrift almost all of my pajamas. Like the Victoria's Secret ones generally aren't thrifted, but I'm going to show you guys some of the thrifted pieces that were literally only like $5 that I have in my like at home loungewear rotation. The first thing I do when I go to Goodwill or to another thrift store is I go straight to the night section, like the pajama section, because there's always some incredible gems in there. This is one of my favorite pieces. It's basically the same style as the one that I'm currently wearing, and this is actually Victoria's Secret, and it is like super large. Like I think this is like an extra large or something. Oh, it's a large, but it feels huge and I love it. This is like when I'm really feeling bad and really feeling down, I wear this one because it's so baggy. It kind of gives me the same effect as sweatpants does, but it's like so cute. If I'm just feeling down, this, oh my God, oh my God, this is like my go-to set. Super long, super comfortable, stretchy waistband. It's like a 10 out of 10 for me. Also thrifted sets like this, which is even larger, but it actually comes with shorts. So if you're like, oh, pants are too hot for me, there's no excuse. There's other options. This is another one that's like so big, but I love how large it is because it just gives me the illusion of like, I don't know, it just makes me feel more comfortable. I think the most luxurious thing I have though to lounge in is this robe. I know you can't even see the full thing. I'm gonna try it on. This is like my special occasion robe. I literally am obsessed with it. Every single time I wear it, I am a princess. Like, you cannot tell me otherwise. Now, looking at me wearing this, can you feel the difference if I was wearing something like sweatpants and a baggy shirt compared to this? Like, I hope you can actually feel the difference. And if you can't, literally close your eyes, go like this. Put one hand on your heart, one hand on your stomach. Take a deep breath and picture yourself wearing sweatpants. How do you feel? Then picture yourself wearing something like this. How do you feel? Super, really, really quick and easy intuition test. Which one feels more luxurious? Which one feels like, eh? I'm telling you, if you do something like this every single day, not only will it make you feel beautiful, not only will it make you feel like you're worthy of feeling luxurious, but the effect that it has on upgrading your self-concept and like becoming a better version of yourself, basically like manifesting, is insane. Especially if you're not used to caring about what you wear at home, the different energy, like the different things that you will attract wearing something like this all the time, it's next level, guys. Take your self-care seriously. And I think that really does start with what you're wearing. Obviously, this is like the most dramatic option on the planet. So let's talk about some like easy, more realistic things, which I really hate that word, but let's just do it. So instead of wearing like baggy t-shirts and stuff like that, I started buying these like little cami tops that are super loose, super flowy, but they're super cute. So I have a white one like this, super simple, but the little lace trim makes it a little bit more cute, and it's like super stretchy. It's like the most comfortable material on the planet. And then I just recently thrifted this little cheetah print one that I also love. Same material, same stretchy vibe, same cuteness, and it's just so much better. To go with that tank top, I have tons of these little like shorts like this. These are a little bit more like pajama type things, but still, like if I'm just lounging around the house, I would much rather wear something like this. I thrifted these and they are like one of my favorite pairs of shorts ever. And so I just have tons of these little things that I can mix and match with the tank tops. And if I'm feeling extra cold, let's say it's like dead winter, it's cold inside, and I want to feel the comfort that sweatpants and a sweatshirt would bring me. This is where the Juicy Couture track pants come in. Okay, actually, before I show you guys that, I do want to confess that I do wear shirts, like normal shirts, but they're cute shirts, okay? It's not like full length blob shape. If I see a shirt like this, I'll just crop it. This is like my cutesy girly sleepover shirt, so it's cropped, so I still look cute, and it's pink, and it has this like cute fucking saying on it. So I love that one. And then this is like my favorite thing ever. I cut this fitted t-shirt so that it goes off the shoulder and it's a little bit more relaxed, and it's like just barely fitted, so I still feel beautiful when I wear it. And I could wear something like this with like the Victoria's Secret pants, or with some of the shorts that I just showed you, or with the Juicy Couture tracksuits. So I have like tons of these. I have them in like 4 different colors. So I have this hot pink one, super cute. I think I'm gonna try it on so you actually see the difference between these and just like your average sweatpants. But I have light pink, I have like a bright turquoise color, and then I feel like there's one more that I'm missing. Oh, I have a Victoria's Secret one that's like a pale, like periwinkle type of color. So cute, so soft, and this just looks so much better. So much better, and it makes me feel like an angel. Ignore this little thing, I just got my blood work done. But see how this is just as comfortable, yet it looks cute? Like, this kind of looks like a actual outfit. Now, if you're looking at all this stuff and you're like, but it's not baggy enough for me, Kiana, like it's not giving me the same effect as like that shapeless blob that I feel when I wear my sweatpants and t-shirt. I still wear baggy sweaters, and let me show you how I actually make them cute. Since it is the season, I'm going to show you how I style this baggy sweater. Really quickly before I do that though, I want to show you guys these shirts that I have, because these are also my go-to loungewear shirts when I don't feel like wearing like the silky sets, or I don't feel like wearing like a full tracksuit like this. These with just some of my cute shorts, perfect. And they're so soft and comfortable. Also, both of them are thrifted. So I tried them with these little orange chenille shorts that I thrifted because, I mean, orange and skull so fall. And then I also tried it with these other silky ones that I thrifted as well. And then I wanted to show you guys these silky pants that I have that are a little bit more structured. They're just as soft and comfortable, but they look a little bit more like real pants. And then this is the sweater, like my baggy sweater, but it's kind of giving like Ariana Grande to me, so I think it's acceptable. I also have been slowly collecting tons of these little like baby doll lingerie type things, which I love wearing, but I get that this isn't really close enough to sweatpants probably for most people. And most people probably think of these as like special occasion loungewear, but I have been thrifting these for so long. I have like 30 or something like that. It's an everyday experience. It's an everyday luxury, okay? Upgrade your base level. If you raise the floor of your standards to only wearing something like this, think about how your mindset would shift about the way that you perceive yourself. A really, really tiny shift, like wearing something beautiful every single day, can literally change your entire life. This is probably my favorite thrifted piece that I've ever gotten. It is the most stunning nightgown. Every time I wear it, I'm just like in awe. So I'll kind of wear like the shorter, less fancy ones throughout the day if I don't have anywhere to be. And then for like a really special occasion, or if it's like my birthday or something, I will wear a fancy long one like this. Like, it's still fun, it's still something to look forward to, but you're not kind of putting the rest of your days down because you want to like wear horrible things so that the one day that you do wear something good, it feels extra special. We don't do that on this channel. We wear incredible things every single day, and that way, when it is time for a special occasion, we get to wear something even better. If you're ready to actually upgrade your life, upgrade your personal style, find it if you don't know what it is, or if you already do have a personal style, deepen it so that you can easily get ready every single day and have an amazing outfit on every single day, then you should take my course, Soul Aligned Style, where I walk you through the deepest inner work surrounding your insecurities, jealousy, envy, all of the things that we kind of like push down and bury within our subconscious, and in turn, teach you how to easily create fun outfits. It seems like the two things aren't related, but I'm telling you, like, 8 chapters, 45 plus lessons. Like, it is deep inner work, and also like just the simplest basic fashion principles to actually help you make a change. I feel like I'm missing something, but I can't think of it, so I think I'm just gonna end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know down in the comments below which part of this video was the most helpful for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you're watching to this point. You might as well just subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to check out that course. The link will always be in the description or in my bio, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!